Hey guys, good morning. Happy morning. It's such a beautiful morning. It's definitely cold and yes, it is really chilled because it's almost winter. This year काफ़ी late आया है actually winter. It's like usually end of September, October तक काफ़ी ठंड हो जाता है, like 4-5 डिग्रीज तक आ जाता है, बट इस बार लेट हुआ है. बट येस, इट्स हियर एंड नेक्स्ट वीक वी आर ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्टिंग स्नोफॉल. सो या काफ़ी ठंड है. बट आज आई थॉट ऑफ शोइंग यू लाइक अ संडे इन माई लाइफ बिकॉज आई लव व्लॉगिंग, आई लव शेयरिंग माई लाइफ विथ यू. एज आई वाज सेइंग कि मतलब वर्कआउट करने से बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. सो बेसिकली हियर यू हैव अ फैसिलिटी ऑफ booking gym time for you, which is like ranges between 400 to 600 SEK per year, whereas outside it is easily between 400 to 600 SEK per month, which is like a little bit higher. So I thought कि घर के पास है, you know, it will be much more convenient for me और कोई excuses नहीं होंगे. I can just get up and you know go and work out. बिकॉज मेरे ट्रेनर का फीडबैक है कि जो घर पे मैं कर रही हूँ अभी, सो आई हैव ओनली 3 kgs के डम्बल्स विच इज़ लाइक वेरी लेस फॉर फ्यू ऑफ द एक्सरसाइजेज. सो शी नीड्स मोर ऑप्शंस फॉर टू ट्रेन मी. और मेरा अभी स्टैमिना भी बढ़ रहा है, सो ऑफकोर्स आई नीड मोर इक्विपमेंट्स नाउ. सो आई थॉट लेट्स गो फॉर अ जिम. सो अभी मैं जाके मतलब ऑफिस यहाँ पे सिर्फ few days, like you know, selected days ही open रहता है. So I'm going now and booking the gym, and then I have to also go to a friend's house to deliver some, like मैंने कुछ बनाया था कल रात को, so I want to give it to her. And then we are planning to go to the mall and have some fun, have some lunch, and you know, just as a family go out and then come back home because we have to meal prep and get ready for the next week from tomorrow because tomorrow is Monday. Anyways, चलो मिलते हैं बाद में. मिशन नॉट अकम्प्लिश्ड. आई पूरा मैंने देखा, आई लाइक कम्प्लीटली वॉक द एंटायर एरिया, बट आई couldn't find the guy who books for the gym, and I think today is not the day. I think it's a wrong day. तो मुझे वापस ट्राई करना पड़ेगा next week, but it's okay. I got my parcel, some medicines which I had ordered online, और अभी मैं मेरे फ्रेंड के घर पे जाके then I have to go home, get ready and then go out. It's such a good day. It'll be shame to just sit at home and waste it, right? Because next week snowfall है, so अभी ही sun है, so just make the most of it. Whenever you get the sun, just enjoy, right? चलो, let's go. So cold outside, guys. Oh my god, it's chilling like anything. But yeah, I need to do this and then go. सो गाइज़, मैंने मेरे फ्रेंड को दे दिया सामान एंड इट फील्स सो नाइस. दैट्स द रीज़न आई लव लिविंग इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया बिकॉज इतना नेचर है. आपने देखा, सो मच ग्रीनरी है एंड लॉट ऑफ पार्क्स अराउंड टू वॉक. आपको अगर यू नो शांति से वॉक लेना है विदाउट एनी पोल्यूशन, विदाउट एनी traffic or anything, you can just take a stroll and collect your thoughts. बहुत सही है यहाँ पे. एंड जस्ट बिहाइंड हमारे अपार्टमेंट के यहाँ पे फॉरेस्ट भी है, सो यू कैन जस्ट इन्जॉय द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ नेचर. एंड नेचर रियली हील्स अ लॉट. बहुत ही सही लगता है एक्चुअली. if you just take even a 10-minute walk, it feels amazing to your eyes and to your body and soul, right? Anyways, just wanted to share one of the benefits of living here, that you can just enjoy the nature and reap the benefits of it, right? So guys, out and about, it's so nice that the weather is so beautiful, and it's but natural कि जब भी like sun comes, automatically आपका mood boost हो जाता है, आपको बहुत सही लगता है, and then when there is cloudy and rainy, automatically like थोड़ा demotivated हो जाते हैं, but yes, something went in my eye. Anyways, but काफ़ी अच्छा सुंदर माहौल है, so yeah, let's go. So guys, I just posted a story on my Instagram, और काफ़ी लोगों के questions थे कि about that, and that was about that I have restarted my Swedish learning journey. और it is so important, I can't even tell you, it is so important to learn Swedish if you want to integrate into Swedish society. अगर आपको culture समझना है और deep जाना है यहाँ पे long term है, it's very important to integrate yourself and understand the history, the culture. It matters a lot if you're living here, right? So अभी मैंने वापस restart कर दिया है, मतलब it's very difficult to learn full time Swedish because इतनी सारी responsibilities हैं, बच्चे हैं, खाना पकाना है, and you have your main job and other things happening, so it's very difficult to learn Swedish full time. But I highly recommend कि अगर आपको time है और आप कर सकते हैं, so please first learn Swedish and then move ahead in your life, in your career here in Sweden. So many people ask me like, do you like hire private tutor and all? So I think you should, if you want to fasten up your journey and speeden up your journey, Swedish learning journey. Oh my god, it is so windy, so windy. Then it is really important because of course government support है, SAP है and all that, which is free. But अगर आपको fast करना है आपका journey, so it's better that you hire some private tutor or have these extra classes as such. So I will share more details later on that. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. And we are just looking for some place to have lunch. Super hungry. So yes.
We should give them some money.
Okay, how much money you want to give them?
10.
You have 10 krona? Okay, good, sure. So maybe while going out we can give, okay?
Yeah.
Right?
गाइस सब जगह पे ऑफर्स ही ऑफर्स है. सो बेसिकली नवंबर दिसंबर इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम अगर आपको शॉपिंग करना है. एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ लाइक ऑन ऑफर्स एंड डिस्काउंट्स एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज़ ब्लैक फ्राइडे एट एंड ऑफ नवंबर. सो आई थिंक दिस ईयर इट्स 29th, यूजुअली इट्स 29th और 30th नवंबर. तो यस, तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है या फिर कुछ भी, मतलब एवरीथिंग इन यूरोप इज़ लाइक usually in overall Europe is like 50% off, 70% off, and yeah, so pretty. Christmas trees are here. I love the decor in the fall and towards the winter. Sub lights and everywhere there is like lights and there is trees and the decor and the small cute things. It looks really very pretty. So अगर आप मतलब of course it's cold if you are coming in Europe, like especially is Nordic countries like Sweden, Finland, etc. But the decor and lights are totally worth it. I mean, there are some activities which you can do in winter as well and have some amazing memories. So let's go. My daughter wants to find some colored paper, thick paper for crafting. So we are in the lookout for that. So let's see if we are able to find it or not. Oh, look, there is also the set classic Christmas folds. आणि बघ अन्विका, तुला जर if you want to explore that.
Metallic paper set.
हे बघ, paper pad. So many options are there. Wow. Guys, we just went to this castle shop. I am looking out for a couple of dresses or tops for upcoming Christmas and New Year, and my daughter's birthday is also coming up. So हम लोग देख रहे थे कुछ है क्या. And this one shop is moving actually, so they're having a lot of sale with the older stock, and they're going to have new fresh stock I guess in the upcoming location. So we just went and I bought like one dress and one top because it's cold, or you need this kind of sweatshirts and thick tops if you don't want to feel cold. And even if you layer, I think I don't like to put too many layers, but that is layering is the key to survive in Sweden, of course, in Swedish winter. But I like to have just one layer, and especially you're like when you're going and having like this get-togethers indoors and with friends and other people, it's good to have something thick so that you don't have to wear too many layers. So yes, after long explanation I bought that, and yeah, it was pretty good actually. It was just like 150-200 SEK, which was quite decent, I think. So these are the prices which you can expect, very affordable prices during this time of the season, so make the most of it. So now we are super tired after walking for so long, and we're just going to head home, and I'm going to end this vlog. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if you like it, please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.